Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how you can use ChatGPT while using our extension and how you can use AI assistants for WhatsApp while you are automating your workflows, paraphrasing messages before sending them to make them more professional, or performing grammar checks as it supports all languages. When you want to enable ChatGPT in WAWCD, you must follow these simple steps. First, you will sign up on the OpenAI platform, that is ChatGPT. Then after you have signed in, you can open your profile, go to the billing section and add your payment details. And once the funds are added, create the API key by clicking the Create New Secret Key option in the top right corner. Now you will copy your API key and paste it over here. You will also paste the webhook URL and then authenticate it. After it's done, now you can use ChatGPT to perform multiple tasks for you while you're using WAWCD extension, be it automation of workflows, paraphrasing, or performing grammar checks, etc. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for more updates on tips and tricks on maximizing your productivity with WAWCD.